My name is Dave Enright. I'm the sales manager for Ralph Helm Incorporated. Been here for 8 years now. Our customers here at Ralph Helm Inc. kind of span from a residential customer to maybe a local guy that owns his own landscape company to our local municipalities like park districts and the city ofs. So us here at Ralph Helm Incorporated live by the motto that we would have nothing in our store that we wouldn't have in our own garage. And making a partnership with Orec has been a great partnership because it's a product that we can stand behind and know that Orec is going to stand behind our customers that purchase it. I had come across Orec on social media and came across the Snow Rhino, a stand-on snow product for our commercial customers as well as our municipal customers on things like their walking paths. They were able to find out that they were doing one pass versus having to do 2 or 3 passes with a walk behind snowblower or a different product. The product that the Orec has is the Cyclone. It's a flail mulching mower, walk behind application. What's nice about the Cyclone is it's not only going to knock it down, but it's going to mulch it up fine. It does a great job. The Snow Bull, being a walk behind snow pusher, is more used for the application where a blower's not going to fit, where you don't want to necessarily throw snow, but you want to push snow to a certain area where maybe you have a pickup truck that's going to take it and push it into the pile. The Snow Bull works great for that. So another product that Orec has is their garden Quake. Rear tine garden tiller. We're looking to do a garden or something of that nature, and the ground is so hard that if I typically went to a box store or got a different tiller, they're not going to really eat into that fresh ground. The garden Quake takes all that work away. Orec has a product called the Trailblazer transporter, and what's really impressive is the fact that it has a 650-pound payload. If you can fit it in there, it's going to take it. So what got me interested in Orec first was the brush Rover. What an awesome machine. Comes in 2 different applications. You have a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive. Abandoned lots, overgrowth lots. It's really made for a wide array of applications. We here have the luxury of having in our store what we would have in our own garage, and really a product like Orec, knowing that they're going to stand behind our dealership as much as we stand behind our customers, is just a great partnership and relationship that I hope goes forever.